What is up, guys? So I am back with this beautiful nail set. This is a Capricorn zodiac inspired nail design. It's so cosmic. This is actually the first video to my zodiac series, so let's get into it. Oh yeah, so I'm starting off with this base coat. You always want to make sure that you start with a base coat. This is going to help with the gel polishes sticking to the nail better. These are my nail decals. They are available for purchase. It's going to be up top and down below, so you can find it in both places. So these are the first decals actually in the Zodiac series that I'm doing here on YouTube for the entire year of 2025. I'm going to come out with 2 to 3 decals for each zodiac sign. Each month, I'm going to be highlighting the different zodiac signs based on that month. So I am super excited for this. And if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and do that because you wouldn't want to miss your month. If you are a Capricorn, woot woot, happy birthday to you if you're watching this. And I'm actually a Capricorn myself, so this set is actually for me. But if you are interested in this set, guess what? They're for sale, and they'll also be in links below and above. Okay, so right now I am showing you how to apply these decals. They're so super easy. You want to make sure that you apply base coat first though, because that's going to allow it to stick better, and it's going to really save you a lot of time when you're applying them onto the nail. They're going to help you. It's going to help you tremendously. So now I'm filing off the excess paper, and you want to make sure to file downward actually, so that way it doesn't lift up any of the paper. I didn't do it for the sake of this video, and so therefore you see a little bit is gone on the end there, but I fixed that because I cover it up. So always just learn how to fix. You're going to make mistakes, just you got to learn how to be able to fix them. So anyway, I'm going with some cat eye glitter. I've been obsessed with the cat eye, like magnetic glitter. Like I'm just so obsessed with manipulating it. It's so sparkly and beautiful. I think I thought it would look really perfect on this design. I really wanted this design to be very colorful, and you know what? It reminds me of a lot of Indian arts. When I was doing it, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to take this metallic gold color, and I'm going to create some lines. And you know, these lines kind of gold in general represents a lot of symbolism with Capricorn. Capricorn is a well-driven person. They're very goal-oriented, and they're very their pursuit of pursuing their goals is very strong. So I wanted to incorporate some elements of gold, a lot of elements actually in the set, but especially with the lines here, the background's very cosmic, and with the gold, it makes it even more like very celestial. So I really enjoyed that. Just making some lines here, metallic, beautiful color, and I'm going to basically do that all over the nail. I'm going to add in a little bit more texture. I'm taking this Formagel and I'm putting it right above the lines. And this is going to create more texture in the nails instead of it being just like a flat surface. I really enjoy texture in my nails. I think it makes it look very fun, and it has a lot of depth to it, and it just brings a lot of dynamic to the set. I'm going to then cover the Formagel after curing. I'm going to cover it with the gold again, and that's going to really make it pop even further. By the way, you don't have to be perfect with these lines. It doesn't have to be super neat. I think it looks gorgeous when it kind of shows a little bit of naturalism in there, if that's a thing. So now I'm applying some crystal gel. I'm going to take this beautiful red color, and this is actually like the representation of the garnet birthstone for January, and associated with Capricorns. And so I wanted to incorporate that there. It looks so cute. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, like immaculate. So going on to the next nail, of course, apply your base coat. Then I'm going to apply a black color. You want to do maybe 1 or 2 coats. 1 coat is fine. I think I ended up doing 2. And this is simply the background for our cat eye gel, magnetic, whatever, gels. And again, obsessed. So had to incorporate a little bit more into the design. I'm going to use 2 colors. One is like a purpley blue and one is a pinky goldish. As you can see, kind of it like reflects both colors. I'm going to blend both colors together using a brush. It's no simpler way to do that. And then I'm going to manipulate it with a magnet. And it creates like this really cool cosmic star, diamond-y, like really cool effect. Like I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm applying some more crystal glue and I'm applying these bigger stones, and they are I forgot what that is called. Like they're not flat back, they are pointed, I guess that's what it's called, pointed back crystals. And so it is ideal for you to cure them first and then apply the rest of the stones surrounding it. But I love these. They really do make a statement on my nail. And you know, they're not as big as they look in the camera. They're actually a little bit smaller. But so I really love the concept of having 3 of them all together like that. So applying this on camera was a little difficult, so I'm gonna kind of cut a bit out, but I'll show you the end. Just simply take your time. This nail took like 45 minutes to do, believe it or not. And so then you want to just cover everything with the high gloss top coat. Now, if you want to see other nail designs, I have short version videos of these designs on my channel as well. Just visit my channel. But I really hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the rest of my series and subscribe if you haven't.